Hi, I'm Lesa Cheney and I'm the owner of Crabapple Glass. The one thing that I love most about the WAZER is it lets me cut intricate shapes that you can't cut by hand when you're cutting with glass. But it lets me cut shapes, that are curved and insets, things that you just cannot cut by hand. Everything is still hand decorated or painted, all the details. It's actually next to my shop, my glass shop. It's in a smaller little room where the water is. Got a shower curtain here so that when it's not in use, I can actually kind of cover it up, keep everything clean, kind of keep the abrasive from getting everywhere. I'm here with my WAZER. I have the desktop unit, and today we're going to be cutting a cow ornament pattern. It's 3 separate pieces. We're going to be cutting this back of a cow. He's going to be the background, so it's just white glass. Everything's ready to go. The WAZER is saving me a lot of time for the ornaments that I make. I just love it, and I haven't had any trouble with it. We're on about 16 cutting hours. It's a great unit, and the customer service has been really good when I do have questions. We'll see how this turns out, and I'll show you when it's done, and then we'll put it together. All right, so we have our pieces cut. They're cut and cleaned up. We have the cow background, his little nose, and his hair. So we're going to do the assembly process now. We're going to add a few pieces of glass to this part. So he's got a little bit of fluff going on in his hair. Just going to drop those in. This is where you really get to personalize. Even though the WAZER cuts a basic shape for me, this is where you get to really add some details and make the cows and whatever ornaments you're working on just really personalized. We're going to take a hook, add a little bit of glue. This is how he's going to hang. We're going to center that up. Then we're going to take some more glue and put it on the back of this piece. And you have to have a piece on top of the hook and below it for the glass to adhere and for the hook to adhere into the glass itself. Otherwise, it'll just fall off. Glue here. We're going to put on some little ear pieces. Do him, and we're going to add him. We're going to take a little bit of red paint, and we're going to paint just a little bit of a smile. Just a cute little grin. We're going to adhere some glue to the back of that. Not much. Doesn't take much to hold it. Put that into position, and we're going to add a couple little nose holes. Put those on. And we're going to add a couple little spots for the eyes. All right. And then once this dries, this will go into a kiln and fire. That is the cow ornament. And hopefully it'll turn out just great. It should. The WAZER cuts great edges. I don't have to grind them. They're really smooth when they fire. Thank you for making the WAZER and making it affordable for small businesses. And a palette of abrasive would absolutely change my business. Small business owner, work out of a home studio, and it would be just miraculous if we could manage to win a skid of abrasive. I just wanted to show you the cow ornament now that it has been fired. I make quite a few different ornaments which I sell at local craft shows and also in my Etsy shop. This one turned out great and should be popular this year. Thank you.